Okay, using ZSH's global alias feature to create quick and dirty filters for Grep and another tool, locate. Here are some of my filters. There's H for head, M for more, G for Grep, GV for negative Grep, Grep minus V to send the output to vim, and T to send the output to a file. And then there's a more generic filter there. It's to filter only images, all regular image types. Okay, so we're going to use these quick and dirty filters to reduce the output of the locate command. The locate command's a database of all your the files on your PC. It gives you super rapid grepping, as it were. So we're arbitrarily going to look for a photo that I remember has the name Maud somewhere in it. So you saw that was quick, and there's a ton of output, but I only want one of those results. So I'm going to do a filter, and I'm going to filter out all the user pics. So that's a bit better. There are 3 files, and I can see there's a false one in there. It's picked up M audio as Maud. Let's get rid of that. We're down to 2 documents, 2 files, a Word document and an image. The image is the one I want. Let's get rid of the document. And I'm just going to do the lazy way. I'm going to filter only for images. And there we're down to the single image. I could have done that easier a number of ways, but it's just a demonstration. But let's filter that into an editor. There. Come out of that. And let's filter it into T. So I've just expanded the global alias there. It's going to filter into there. And I can put a quick alias to access that T. So the idea of this, and my cat's meowing, is just to show you the power of it. You can use it in any number of ways. Just do whatever you like, really. Okay, thank you. Bye.